I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay tonight. Pretty how you work hard for me, while forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. Don't like it when you shit, chat shit. I like it when you're looking like that. Or shy, just fine, don't mind my reaction. I like it when you look like that.
What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today, as you can see, we do not have a hood on my Camaro. I actually sold it. So we are going to change up the look. I'm very nervous about this. So we're going to unbox that new one. This one is from Auto Addicts, along with my fenders, soon-to-be diffuser, spoiler, and everything like that. If you wanted my other hood, you can also get that from Auto Addicts, but I did sell my other hood, so we decided to change up the look. So we're going to be unboxing this together. And yeah, I'm very nervous because I really love my old style. So yeah, we're gonna open up the new one and I guess see how I like it. So this hood is actually designed by Auto Addicts themselves. So take that into account when you see this. It is a, I don't know, I'm just gonna show you and then I guess we'll talk about it. But I'm very excited. video. I hope you enjoyed. Yes, I attempted it by myself and somehow succeeded. I honestly just laid it down and kind of worked with it, which wasn't bad, honestly. But I'm obsessed. I did not think I would like this hood this much, if I'm being completely honest. Actually, Auto Addicts designed this hood, so if you are interested, you can only get it from Auto Addicts. I will leave their links down below. Or if you wanted my other hood, or if you're interested in fenders, they got all the goodies. They just dropped the C6 line, so hopefully soon we'll start getting stuff for the C6 and build in that, because I know you guys are very excited about that. But yeah, I will leave their links down below. Make sure you guys go check it out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.